It appears that we are live in OBS. Oh, whoops. No video yet. Oh, okay. So it looks like we are live. Okay. So I'm gonna just start with the classic intro, you know. Hey guys, this is Generic Pesney, back with another video, and today, well, not video, but a couple of things. So first off, yes, I actually updated the site. I just copy and pasted this from the README. I still plan on getting a release this weekend, albeit I did run into some trouble on the Windows side of things, because I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but yeah, that's just stuff. So if you want to contribute, it looks like we're kind of behind. Oh, well, except that's just the GitHub pages branch. Alright, so, anyway, so if you wanna suggest an issue, I'll have this up and I'll be checking it through the live stream. If you don't know about yep. If you don't know otherwise the projects, the project repo and link are and such, then you can go ahead and it'll be in the description. But right now I'm kind of experiencing a bit of build trouble, so this VM's execution state's paused. Okay. So if you hear fans in the background, it is kind of hot up here, but then that's likely from my computer. So, alright, so let's just get this started. So, you guys hopefully should be able to see this also. Let me check. Okay. Alright. So, if I just go, I'm gonna just get Audacity's build instructions because they're literally the exact same thing. Whoops. I was gonna put in my build link, or no, my repo link. Except it would be to Audacity, but it'd redirect anyway. So, building.md. It should just okay. Here we go. Building.md. So yeah, you can see I'm also in the Windows VM here too. Oh, just a heads up. This VM is not activated. So if you see anything here or a message come up, yeah, I know. I'm well aware, but I'm not gonna pirate any keys or whatever. Besides, we're still good. So, according to this building.md, we need Python 3, check. Conan 1.32.0. I'm pretty sure that's fulfilled. Conan, is that it? Oh. Okay, yeah. I think we should just, okay. Maybe, could I do this? Alright, so yep, check. I'm just double checking. 1.38. We have CMake greater than or equal to, I think, 0.16. Well, I thought I saw somewhere in CMake list.txt at the root of the directory that it was like 3.15 or above or whatever. Well, I don't know. That I could just be mistaken, but either way, we got CMake. That should okay. Yeah, we got 3.20.5. Like in C++ 14 compiler. Well, we got I do got Visual Studio on this thing, so you can also tell that the animations are disabled for performance reasons. This thing only has allocated 4 gigs, but then again, this laptop is only like 8 gigs. I think I don't need too much, but I don't know. I could always upgrade it later, thankfully. So, alright. So, this is what I do. I just follow these instructions. Or not here, but further down. Okay, so just gotta clone it. Alright. So I'm also opening up git bash. Whoops, sorry about that. That I knocked my mic over. That was not good. Whoops. Okay, so I could just do git bash here. And then I'm just gonna clone our repo. Also, this is a one monitor system, so if y'all are gonna say something in the live chat, I need to be able to see. Well, you know what? I'm actually I'll pop this out. It'll be helpful that way. New pin chat, okay. So, alright. Maybe I could have this on top. More actions. Keep above others. Okay. That didn't work that well. Well, never mind about that. That doesn't want to seem to work with the VM, I guess. Oh well, I'll check it occasionally if you guys want to say something, but right now I'm just gonna clone this. Oh, did I just put Audacity? That should be Saucedacity. You know, screw it. I mean, it's the same stuff. Oh, okay. Same stuff, but I'm just gonna correct it. Why not? I mean, it redirects since I renamed the repository. But, yeah. Anyway, so why... Also, a little quick thing. Why the name Saucedacity? Because we got sauce. That's why. Yeah, so, okay, so this thing going out kind of well. Doing this over HTTP. I'm using SSH to push this thing to GitHub. And that's already set up because I don't want to do two-factor authentication because I feel way lazy about that. So, this thing's almost finished, so then, alright. Okay, so then we can just open up CMake GUI, which is right here. Alright. So, where's the source code to the location Audacity was cloned? I'm just a browse source. I'm gonna just do this. Okay. Typical. And then the Saucedacity build, which, I'm just gonna do build. I'm gonna rename it to build. And in that case, make the build. Yes, I'm kind of used to the terminal because I don't know. I just want to type it out. Maybe I feel lazy to just right-click it. No, I don't know. Alright, so then we can just do configure because here it says, okay, so set where the source code to the location. Okay, set where the source code to the location of Audacity was cloned. So we can. Alright, so that's here. That's the source code. Set where to build the binaries to the location you want to place your building. It is preferred that this location is not within the directory with the source code. Well, I'm gonna take this to the extremes. Oh shoot. Okay, that is not good. I only have 6 gigs free space left. I gotta have to. Okay, I'm using KVM. This is not good. I probably have to redo it. And how much is this? Oh, only like around 50 gigs, huh? Alright. You know, I'm just gonna do a C Audacity build to the root. Because I guess I'm just misinterpreting this to the extremes. I misinterpret a lot of things. Really. Okay, so I'm gonna minimize that, but. Alright, so then you just press configure, and then. We're going to be building a 64-bit version. Alright, so this is the default option. I'm just gonna leave everything the same. Okay, we support x64 and Win32 platforms, because, well, albeit there's ARM64 and ARM, but I'm guessing these are only officially supported. I don't have any Windows ARM machine to really test these things out, but I'm gonna leave it blank. Okay, so that's the default. Nothing mentioned about this, so we're just gonna do finish. Alright, so this might take a while. In the meantime, I have a couple of other things. First off, chat. Nothing much. Second off, I did actually... Linux builds fine, but then again, I do have Audacity, so I built alongside it, so... Well, not built, but installed from the distros, from my distros, webhosts and all. You can see this build information, many things, yay. Enabled v19, blah blah blah. Oh, 3.0.5, so this appears to be built against pure WX widgets because Audacity says that they do require 3.1.3. However, this version of Audacity is built against apparently WX widgets 3.0. Well, just the 3.0 series. So, alright. But yeah, mine should be no different. Or Saucedacity should be no different. We're just gonna go to build, bin, release. Oh, bin? Okay, and then Saucedacity. So that's Saucedacity. So you can see the changes. This has actually been changed now to 1.0.0. Latest changes are live now, so if you want to clone the repository and just go ahead and try it out and such, then well, go ahead. Build instructions just follow building.md. So basically, yeah, right now for Linux I can confirm. Windows, this doesn't want to seem to build, albeit well. Okay, so it looks like we're finished now. But real quick, you can see the discussions on GitHub. It's linked to the GitHub discussions. Let's check the build info. So this appears. Oh, so this. Okay, so this is where we'll build it against. Okay. Oh, wrong window. So, okay. Maybe there's some. Maybe I think if we could just link it, because I do have regular WX widgets libraries downloaded in here. I'm just gonna open this in a new window, so they're in lib. 32-bit 6. Well, I can presume these are 32-bit libraries, anyways. But we got 64-bit libraries here, and that's what we're trying to build. So these are vanilla. These appear to be just Unicode, but these are releasable libraries. So, yeah, just much there. But anyways, best Saucedacity. Yeah, so okay, that's commit ID. CMake release build 64-bit. Yes, I even did change that. GCC 10. Nice to know we have that. Settings for the Saucedacity data. So yeah, I think I changed. This might make it more manageable alongside a regular Audacity install, but I mean, no guarantees. Like, well, I mean, I guess running together, but I mean, either way, that's not a good idea. Don't run this in Audacity together. But yeah, so file format, blah blah blah. But yeah, we appear to be linked against WX widgets 3.1.3, or built against it, anyways. Okay, that is quite interesting. So, all right, CMake op. This is not what I want. Okay, CMake options. I think that okay. Use WX widgets. Okay, system if available, local off. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of experiment with this. Just remove everything. I'm not gonna type out the entire build command, but that's actually, you know what? Screw it. What am I doing? Unix makefiles. I've memorized the entire build command. Use ffmpeg, and Audacity use WX widgets. If available, let's try system and Saucedacity. Okay, so oh yeah, I loaded, I'm guessing, or wait, ffmpeg, load it linked off. So okay, okay, I mean that's what it just says in the building.md. So okay, so it appears to have worked. So if we build it against the system's WX widgets library, I guess. Well, I mean that's what we should be doing in our theory. Now I'm just gonna test this out just to see. I might link it against regular WX widgets libraries, provided all is good, or I could just build it as is. So I could just do that. But all does work. So, live chat, anyone say so? Nope. What are the stats? Okay. Alright. So, yeah, so this should just build fairly quickly. And speaking of which, I'm just gonna do that. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna do that for now. Alright, let's see. Come on, man. Come on. But other than that, I think I do have like some. I might have already compressed all the necessary files of what's been released in this build directory. So, okay, come on. Alright, so about 1.0.0, final changes? Have I freezed anything yet? Not really, technically, but at this point, I think we're just all ready. And also, I've kind of come up with a bit of a concept. This is image viewer. If it went as, yeah, you can see my beautiful artwork. It's not really meant to be the final logo. I just like get public domain. Oh, whoa, oh. Nope. There's a pickaxe there. And I did not mean to open it in Inkscape, especially since I'm limited on up and we're done. But yeah, you can just you see the concept. Stop. Okay, you can see the concept there. So okay, we can go to bin release. Dang it! Now I have to sit through this. Okay. LS, what's the... Oh, whoops. Yeah. By default, it builds a debug release. And that shouldn't worry much. So, Saucedacity 1.0, yay, that's great. About Saucedacity, build information. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, so, okay. Okay, CMake, use WX widgets. Did I even read this fully? Use WX widgets to library. System if available, local off. Well, okay. Well, I guess I didn't do anything, but regardless, what, CMake build type. I'm just gonna rebuild all this into a release, so. In the meantime, actually, I'm just gonna get this ready, but, so we're building it. In the meantime, however, this has this is finished. So we just need to generate, and this is gonna be for Visual Studio 2019. So I'm just gonna generate. So, boom, and that is quick. Now it's time to build it. So Visual Studio. Alright. So also maybe I can consult this reference manual because I kind of need to. I mean, I'm kind of familiar with CMake and all, but about the GUI though, I don't know about. Oh, this is okay. It's all locally, so we can read that. Quick search, yay. Environment variables. Like, how shall this work in the GUI? CMake. Okay, CMake. CMake config. What's this? That's probably already ready. Okay. Anyway, so alright. Build. We are ready to build this. So we build it. It appears that 4 things are skipped, however, but okay, so let's see. Also, I did write down the required library, so what it fails with. So 3 of them are WX widgets. 1 of them is libexpat D, which I'm guessing means debug.dll. In the meantime, however, this thing must have been finished. So make. Yep, we have 12 threads on this thing. Ryzen 5 3600, and yes, this is a desktop CPU in a laptop, as you can tell by the key structure. I bet you what, but regardless, okay, yeah, we essentially just have to wait for that. Anyways, I'm gonna just talk about perhaps the latest stats right now. Of course, subject to change. I'm just gonna pull them up in YouTube Studio real quick. So it appears as if 63 views and 10 views here. That's good. Can I dislike my own stuff? Okay, but I mean, again, I'm really just statistic-wise successful, but I really just, if it means contributors, then I'll take it. Anything in live chat? No. We're still making. This is done in parallel. Alright, channel content. I'm gonna just close out of that. Maybe we could just. Oh, yeah. Well, kind of about the changes I made recently, because I did make a bit of other changes. Not much. It's just more. The changes made were just more banning things, albeit I did change some directories, which plugins should be fine. But I mean, I think one temp directory got changed, so basically you should be able to use this alongside perhaps Audacity with vanilla builds. But at this point, some things I've kind of purposely left the same, not in terms of branding, but also like in terms of directories, because I don't want to break anything. So yeah, right now it looks like that is halfway, or almost about. Why, this is almost finished. But anyways, so yeah, more branding was changed. As you can see, the welcome page is now Saucedacity 1.0.0. So that's the thing you're gonna see first. Other than that, the only changes beside the removal of telemetry and the auto updater are just the fact that, well, we've simply removed the. Oh, okay, now we're done. So bin release. Okay. Oh no, I'm just want this in the background of the show. But yeah, branding's the same. Yeah, so you see this. Also, the discussions on GitHub. This is new. Well, I've changed this so that I point to the GitHub discussions, because that's kind of like, I guess, what we could use as our forums right now. So yeah, just click OK. You can click that, but yeah. Everything else should just be the same. Tools, reset configuration. You do that. Screenshot one benchmark. And yeah, and another thing is about Saucedacity. The thing I should mention though is that, yeah, about Saucedacity, that's the program name and such. Well, I mean, that's what it says here, but Audacity is right there. Will that be left? Well, likely. But yeah, I mean, we got Saucedacity 1.0.0, so Saucedacity, the free open source platform, blah blah blah. That's there. This is a bit changed, so I think it looks a bit nice. More, it looks nicer anyways, I think. This is also changed too, because, well, some links did refer to the old repository. I mean, thankfully GitHub redirects it for you, but, well, I'd rather have it up to date. Libraries, you can see the libraries used: WX Originals, Vamp, LV2 incorporating LILV, Emerson types, Sword, I guess, Sword, SR Adam, I guess, whatever. So, build information, a couple of things naturally changed. This is, I guess, built against Audacity subs, but okay. So, alright. Theme, dark theme extras disabled. Yeah, check online. Okay, so that does point to the release page. So at this point, we're kind of bug hunting. More or less visibly, but I mean, the only thing that I find I can change is just, I don't know. More branding. I mean, this is still Audacity, and this is Audacity. You can obviously see the old logos. Oh, I meant that. I didn't mean that. Yeah, so you can still see the old logos. Edit preferences. Maybe some in here. Device record. Quality. Not much really to be changed in terms of branding, but that's kind of what I'm just trying to get at. I might also take a look at. Let's just do this. Oh, wait, what? Saucedacity. Oh, you know what? I think. Okay, there we go. So, I'm just gonna also launch Genie. Yes, this is my IDE. Sorry if the buttons look a bit hideous, but, well, oof. Yeah, this is the IDE I use. It's a lightweight thingy. I only need just the symbol things, and that's all I just pretty much use. In fact, K could actually work better. Well, I mean, work as well, sorry. Projects, Saucedacity. Wind tests. Is this thing done yet? Close. What else is there? What else? Let's maybe take a look at source. Anything in live stream? Random time? Okay, source. Okay, command effects. Toolbars. Tracks, widget. What's under widgets? A button. It's a button! Oh, file dialog, that's there. Okay, Audacity message box. Probably take a look at this. That's literally all it does. Okay. Projects, Saucedacity, SLC. Just gonna go to there. Seeing what else might need changing in terms of branding, file config, headers, logger, auto recovery dialog. Maybe there. I don't. Alright. More stuff there. Automatic crash recovery. I'm just gonna do this. Automatic crash recovery. Also, internally, I'm gonna just keep the names the same. So instead of like, I'm not gonna change it so that this is, for example, like on Quit Audacity to on Quit Saucedacity. I'm just gonna keep it the way it is. Alright. So, some crash recovery. Alright. Just mainly changing most of the strings here because that's gonna be what's gonna be seen. So, okay, so that file is good. Okay. Projects. Sauce. Wait, what's currently okay? Saucedacity SRC. Legacy block file. Some legacy stuff there. Audacity well, that's IN, so I'm just gonna take a look at that. Audio based auto recovery, batch command dialog, batch command, blah blah blah. CMake list, crossfade. I'm gonna check on this again. Okay, so it's actually done. Alright. So build and basically we be modifying also alongside too. So this has succeeded. Our output should be build. Is it not? Why? Wait, then where did we build it? Oh shoot, no, that's not build. It wasn't in build. We didn't set it. Forgot about that. Okay, bin debug. So this is what it gives us. The code execution cannot proceed because this library was not found. It looks to be debugged, so I do not want it to build a debug release. So reinstalling the program, well, not reinstalling. That's not a helpful thing to do. libexpat.d.dlo is let's take a look at that. We actually do have, well, not debug, but I mean it's just libexpat, so that's that. So yeah, so it fails. I do not know what else to do. Some core things. Let's take a look at this. This is particularly interesting, so I'm just lame.obg, very interesting name. Okay. Copy. Why is Notepad up here? Oh. Yeah, but I want Notepad++. Alright, so let's just do this. Text. Paste. Okay, so mp3 lame.lib warning link. Okay, PDP VC140 was not found with this. Alright, I guess in the build bin debug there. As if no debug info. Well, we don't care. Okay, so that's okay. So it's mainly, I guess, those program debug files were not there. Okay. So yeah, I don't know what else to do much after that, but where am I to check? You know, we're just gonna be in here. So there's also, so that just tells us. So, yeah, I mean, I tried following this, but no. But the thing I find, if I do building on Windows, that is in the Audacity wiki. That's what I'm mainly going to follow. So, GNU cache in Octave or Octave. Interesting. All right. Audacity wiki. It says this page is deprecated as of May 24th this year. Well, the problem is, if I just do that, there's an issue. The problem is that it is the exact same stuff, and I come here to consult. So then I read this, official full releases. Have a get ident come, okay. Fetching the manual on another page. You can build the manual. I'm not gonna do that right now, though. Okay. You can build the installer. I'm not going to really build the installer for Windows. It's just going to be a zip file is what I plan on for both 32-bit and 64-bit releases. But alright, let's take a look. Instructions for building on Windows. Full instructions that include installing CMake portable settings, building an installer. Well, can be found on the wiki. Alright. Win build.txt in the Git repo. Is that actually? No, that was removed from the source tree. Okay. And then if it was removed from the source tree, then it's not gonna be in my source tree either, in Saucedacity's source tree. Periodic check, however, of the live stream chat. Nope. Any much more things? Nope. Okay. Periodic check done. Alright. MSVC 2019 download and install Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. We have done that. Git, download and install Git, for example, by installing that and such. Python, all of that should be installed. WX widgets. There is a mention of building WX widgets here. You clone it and check it out from the Audacity fork. So, this is what we're gonna do. So, it runs there, I guess. So, we're gonna go to the desktop. We're gonna do, okay, so if I did have it, I would otherwise reclone it, but yeah, so so we're gonna do git clone recus submodules. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this live. This is obvious. Now we don't have our own fork of this, but I don't think that's really needed. Unless they make some controversial change to WX widgets 2 to their fork of it, then we're gonna do a fork then. But I mean, honestly, that I'd probably maintain it upstream or whatever, or I don't know. It could be Audacity's version I could maintain if that does happen. But well, I'm not gonna bet on that. So resolving deltas. Okay, so what else? So you can do that if you forgot. Okay, recus submodules. Okay. It is instructive to review, but do not follow the instructions for building at GitHub. Basically, this link, readme git docs msw install. So B, we currently build the 32-bit DLL version, and Audacity is built 32-bit 2. So this variable needs to be set. So once this, well, I'm gonna actually do this now because it shouldn't affect cloning anyways. But edit the system. That's not what I meant. Edit the system environment variables. Actually, no, that should be set. Alright. In that case, I might as well actually be superstitious and then move these things to like name and such. Well, yeah, I'm gonna just be superstitious. Okay, this is .vs stuff. Saucedacity. Let's just go to \. Yes, I do omit the drive name, meaning just to go to the root and all. So, C Saucedacity is where we're just gonna move this. And boom. So then, is this done? It is not quite yet done. Okay, some modules third-party catch. Source expat, source JPEG, source PNG, source TIFF, source zlib. So then we're going to cursively clone, I guess. I'm not exactly sure about Git submodules, but well, I can always learn that later. So, alright, compile this of text. Yay, it's there, I guess. Environment variable. I said oh, whoops, I did not realize that. Alright, so, Chocolatey install, yes I did install Chocolatey. Path, this is our path. Alright, Chocolatey bin, generic, blah blah blah. Wait, it should have been, okay, WX win. That is no longer existing, that's from a previous try. That's just gonna be WX widgets. It's gonna be just simply WX widgets. Okay. So that is all, and okay, so we are finished cloning. So, I'm now gonna move this here, move just to the root of the C drive. All right. So, okay, let's see. Okay, so beast. Okay, so that's been set. It's just the root here. You will be building a DLL version with this. So in Windows File Manager, so we gotta go to WX widgets, build MSW. I'm gonna just sort this. Config.bcc, gcc, vc, makefile.bcc, project. I'm looking for a solution. Or no, I think it was this. Visual Studio Solution. So yeah, so Studio 2019. So solutions config. Oh, maybe that's why. I never really. I think that's. Oh, no. Well, it's not a threat. Software. We can view the source code. What I mean to do is, well, we just open. Yeah. So this is the correct solution. All right. So in the solutions configurations drop-down list. All right. So that's why it's likely. That's why I screwed up the last time, because I did not set that. In fact, I always watched it. Oh no. Oh wait, what? What's going on here? What's going on here? Don't. Oh, man, just quit that. Let's go ahead and see. I mean, I meant to close out that. Okay. So, where is, okay, so this is the, okay, so this is where we are. DLL release. Aha! Alright, now we're getting somewhere, Alright. Okay, so it looks like we are getting somewhere, okay, release Win32. I might also want to change this to x64 since we are not building a 32-bit version, and I do not believe that this thing would actually work with the 30. I don't think you can mix 32-bit DLLs with 64-bit. Well, you probably could, but not the other way around. So, alright, so then build solution. Alright, so now we're just starting to build. Oh. Okay, warnings. Okay, release x64. Okay, so yeah, it says to change it from debug to DLL release. But what I also did is that I also changed the target from Win32 to x64 because we are building a 32-bit version of Audacity. Now, likely, at this point, I'm now going to presume that I think we could just build Audacity just the exact same way as before. But now that we got these DLLs, we just drag and drop and that's it, if you know what I mean. We just copy it to the bin, well, to the bin folder and boom. But I was also building a debug version too. I'm not gonna build a debug version. I'm just checking this also. I'm just gonna do that. But yeah, so I'm not gonna be building a debug version. But now that I actually see that, now that I understand what that means, that's probably why I was screwing up so much. So yes, I was doing something wrong. Okay, I guess we could attempt to play a game maybe. Super Tux while this thing finishes. Oh, it's just gonna... Okay, well... I guess that increases speed, but... I don't know. Super Tux. Start game. Ba ba da ba da 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 ba. I suck at this, so don't expect any good gameplay. Alright, wait. Okay, okay, now I see. Yeah, I'm big boy Tux, I guess. Feel free to steal that name. Licensed under Creative Commons. Eh. I just also realized that's a snowball, so yeah, we can do this. Wait. Okay, now I see. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're gonna be doing. While the source code. Hey, no, get. Okay, yeah, just go on by. I don't go on by. No. Okay. Kind of slow there, keyboard. Then again, this is my laptop keyboard. It does appear to have in-key rollover compared to my other one, which, well, yeah, but now that we can melt literally anyone, I take this for granted. I want to get more coin. Yeetus! Alright, there we go. I should be... No. Oh, that's not what I meant! Okay, there we go. No. Okay. As the thing builds, how far is it into building? Okay, yeah, we might be playing this. We might be playing games for a while. This is for the interim, though. So, okay, so if I, wait. Okay, so S. I'm thinking of pressing D, but I mean, this is how I have it all set up. Okay, we safe. And then like, there's that, which, well, because I'm guessing that's the max, or at least for now. I wish I got the coins, but okay. So indeed, we actually probably have to hurry up, I guess, in terms if we want to get over the little bridge, because it's like some brittle path or whatever. Checkpoint. No more of you. I melt you because I have fire. Because it's also hot up here. I'm gonna just, you know what? I'm gonna just turn my lamp on. It's dark under here. I have like a big bunk bed scenario, so might as well just let my window open, I guess. That sounds like a good idea. But I feel too lazy to do it. Well. Boom. Alright. The threat is instantly extinguished, except I want to get coins, but I can't. I can't. That is not what I meant. I don't mean destruct. I want to get coin. You want coin. Also, no. Just you. No. Alright. So. Just get all that stuff. Oh. No. No! Dang it. Okay. I rage quit. Alright, so we just get rid of this. What's another game that there is that I can... Did I just play Super Tux card? I guess I can do that. Alright. So, if we just do this. Cart racing game. Alright. But that is not what I meant. It's not in the VM. Oh no. Alright, FPS. We got good FPS. I'm gonna do single player. Oh, okay, I always play as this dude. That's me. Alright, normal race. Which map? Oh, well. You know what? Let's actually do story mode. I know the story. I've heard it several thousand times. Alright, here we go. Alright, never even maybe completed the story. But, yeah. Now I'm just so used to, like, WASD. Up. 3, 2... Alright. Oh, no. Hopefully Super Tux card works good also, like, as in... I had troubles on my other main computer. My desktop. As y'all seen, but hopefully there are no more troubles. If not, then, well, that's not the intention, because we're just waiting for the code to compile. And because we can't... Maybe that's not a good idea after all. Wait, what are attempts? This doesn't really sound good. I might have to... Wait, oh, Genie. Okay. System. I have a little cooling pad here, which I'm... No. That's there. Graphics is 88%. 71. My CPU kind of idles around there. That I keep thinking WASD or WASD, but no. Honestly, yeah, I'm just not that game. Not. Oh wait, is it finished? Oh. Alright. Okay, so it's finished. Okay. Alright. So we are finished indeed. So. So now we should take a look in lib here. Do we have any DLOs? No! What am I doing wrong, damn it? Alright, where? Okay, lib vc. Oh, that's just. So, okay, so we're in here. No DLL files. Dang it! Alright, lib. There's only this. What? What do you mean? There's only x64 lib. Why aren't we building any DLLs? That is not what is meant. Is it in build? Yeah. Bake files? Wait. Alright. Lib VC DLL. Lib. No, this is build clean solution. Clean up. Alright? You're gonna clean up. Okay. So. Oh, okay. So we're doing. What? That's just release? No, I meant DLL release. Why did I not get switched? Okay. So no wonder why. Well, now we're gonna have to redo this again. Well, we got Super Tux, but not Super Tux card 7. Build custom build. Just build solution. It's gonna be a DLL release, not a simple release. We're not talking lib files. We're talking actual DLL files that we can distribute and modify so that they're malicious. Did I say that? I'm joking, of course. I'm joking. We're not actually gonna make these files malicious, but those DLL download sites, I wouldn't trust them. Speaking of which, we're just gonna close out that. Live stream. Okay. Latest stats, I'm guessing. What do we got? I don't know. Why not? content. Whoops. Okay, not bad, not bad. So, okay, as this thing's compiling. Games! Arcade. Yeah, that's a thing. Tactics and strategy, no. I can probably limit. You know, I'm gonna just limit that FPS to like. FPS. Maximum FPS. Fallen. I'm sorry that this is. Well. Okay, fine, 60. You get 60, but that. Well, to me, that doesn't really. I don't find that smooth because, well, we got 144 Hz, I guess, but. I don't want to limit. I don't want the GPU going up too hard, so. Okay. Just decompose for a bit. Wait, what the? Okay, compiling still. Oh. Are we done? Okay. Mind test. Is this. Do we have this world? Okay. We got this world. I might as well just clone that world. But you know what? I'm gonna make a new world. Oh, it's a world. The C is gonna be generic person. Not single node, because that doesn't really generate a world. Fractal. Mind test game. Caves, dungeons, decorations. No dungeons, please. Caves, I guess, you know. Fractal single node v6 blah blah blah. Oh, we can do v7 not caverns. Okay, create. Boom, let's go. Alright, we spawn here. I want to get up there. Grant single player all. Okay. Okay, build stat. Okay. Main test. Alright, what material should we be using? Oh yeah, this is created, by the way. How should we? It looks to be a force. Oh no, that's zoom. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, so we got the fog down low too. So okay, so it's like okay, so it's like that. Okay. Such hills, more sand or desert-like biomes. Okay. We'll just go ahead and do that. I kind of feel like this is a more hard place to, well, actually no. I see a spot, except I'm gonna have to cut down a tree. Sadly. Dirt. I'm gonna do this. I might as well replant the tree in its honor. But that is if I get. Okay, we got a sapling. Okay. You get planted here. Alright. Logs, I see. Alright. Let's just see how this is gonna work. Are we done yet, though? Not quite yet. Oh, we're not even close. Okay. Alright. Okay, so that's what we want to do. And time to build. What building material do we want to use, though? Let's make it appropriate, actually. Boom. Okay, so where shall we start, however? I know. Here. Alright, so this is where we're gonna be building. Yeah, right here. I'm just gonna extend. Oh, what the? Okay, it's gonna be like this. Alright. Okay. And there we go. Oh. Yeah, this isn't really a gaming channel. I don't really talk a lot. Build! Almost! But that is not what I meant, though. Alright? However, I will close out of here. I'll log back in on stream, but you ain't gonna be seeing anything. So, this house is being built because why not? We have nothing else to do right now. And because I like mind test. So if we do this, right? Okay, so let's get the roof framed. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna do this quickly. Faster! Faster! Okay, is that? We are done. But wait. I just want to get this frame, please. Okay, maybe not just the roof, but... Alright, there we go. So, now we can relieve pressure from our GPU. So this should be DLL release, and I'm hoping. Oh, this is in full screen, okay. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Lib. We got DLO. This is good. Where are the DLOs though? Oh no! The DLOs is there. It's just you, but that's all. Yeah, it's just Unicode. I should say that's what the U stand for. It's 3-1 though, but that's good. Why did I just do that? Okay, so that is good. Boom. There we go, yes! That succeeded. Because I actually set the target right. DLO. I don't care about the PDB or the program debug database that says. I'm just gonna get all these DLOs, you know. These DLOs. I'll probably just ship all of these, but just copy these DLLs. We're gonna make a new folder. Audacity Windows Build x64, not x86. Alright, paste and boom. I might eliminate new or needed just in case. But alright, so we got those. Okay, what else? What is next? Got Audacity. Alright, open the CMake GUI. Oh, I think we have to do this like through. Okay, now I'ma see. So alright, But wait, so, okay. libda. Alright. So, okay, VS or Audacity Windows build x64. Alright, so it appears. Okay, so CMake GUI, continue without go. Alright, okay, open the CMake. Okay, so we got this opened up here. Actually, wait. Hold up. Audacity Windows build. Local disk. Audacity build. Build. I'm just gonna name it build. Delete everything. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna just open that up. I did not mean to open command prompt. I'm gonna do local disk C. So I'm gonna just minimize that. So the CMake GUI, and then Visual Studio. Right now. Okay. Wait for the CMake overview. Be patient. So okay, continue without code. File open CMake. Okay. And then we go to the Audacity build. Okay. So it's clone. Alright. CMake follows the text. Local disk. Saucedacity should be. Okay. CMake project CMake list dot text. Alright. So that should. Okay, so there we go. CMake list dot text. Boom. Alright. We had. Okay. So, what else? So, we did that. Wait for the CMake overview. Yeah. Be patient. So, just gotta wait for that. Looks like we're doing something. Alright. So, it appeared, and we were patient enough. Open the CMake settings editor. So, okay. Open the settings editor. Alright, so now we're at the CMake config. Verify tool set. Okay, show advanced settings. I'm gonna just have that just in case. Green plus x80, x6. I'm just gonna remove this config. Yep. I'm gonna make a configuration for Minji W64 debug. Well, so we got Minji W, I guess, but we're just gonna be doing x64 release. x64 release. Select this. Alright. So there we go. Verify toolset MSVC x80 or 86. 64. I don't know the difference, but I'm just gonna do 64 only. Release with debug info. I'm gonna just change this to release. 64 release. Okay, x60. Okay, what else? Keep this. Okay, project out build name. Yeah, we just keep that default. You can change it to CMake binary though. Alright. Okay, so there we go. CMake generate VS 2016. Oh, from Ninja to. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Visual Studio, not 2015, but 2019. Win64. Okay, yeah, so that's okay. That's okay. That's all good. Install directory CMake executable. Alright. Oh, wait. Okay, oh yeah, okay. Click save and generate CMake cache to load variables once. Alright. So, we might be. Wait, okay, project. Then we can generate the cache. Whoops. I'm crashing into places. Okay, project generate oh, what? Okay, wait, but this is say generate once and then a second time, apparently. Okay, release MXVC X64. Okay, so that should be good. Okay, project. Alright, project. No. What are you doing? Okay, fair to find the code and package Zila? Huh? Wait, what else are we doing? Alright, but wait, what else? Switch to the output tab. Okay. Alright. So, I mean to do project generate cache. So that's done. So make list.text. Exit out of that. Output. But then there's an error. Fail to find the Conan package zlib. Do we even have zlib? Okay. Conan list. Like, oh wait. Oh, it's automatically doing this. Okay. All right. So okay. So it's automatically doing this. I didn't find assembly. We don't need an assembly. Alright. So you know that. Hopefully 0 errors and 0 warnings, but alright. Found, but also I'm returning for D. Saucedacity. No, not in Saucedacity actually. It is going to be in program files. No, not. I'm just saying stuff. Right. WX widgets. Lib VCX64 DLL. Boom. Alright, so it's generally the CMake stuff. Now, we are not yet ready to build, but I'm going to just copy this. Alright. Okay, so this is good so far. Dock. Can't just dock it with it. Alright. But let's do this. Okay. I might need to close out of this after all. I'm also just gonna close out of this. Latest stats. So, how long has this actually been going? Okay. But how long has this been going? So, for... Alright, 1 hour, I guess. Switch to the output tab. Wait for CMake generation finish. There's one warning though. Why? Well, we might. We're gonna brave it. Alright. WX widgets libdo. Actually, just close out of this. Okay, filter variables. So WX widgets though. No, we're gonna set this to some different. I wanna browse. I wanna do local disk. Alright. Okay. So WX widgets lib VCA X64 DLL. Select folder. Alright. Output. So there we go. What is E now? Build. Okay, build all. Check the output tab. 17 warnings in. Then boom. Alright. Hopefully we have those. Now, well, hopefully I guess the WX widgets libraries. Reload. Yes. Reload it, please, and we are building. Alright. We should be building anyways. Generating .mo. Add another and I'll be like .mo. What's this though? What's this? You building? I want to see the stat. Alright. So we are generating some things. Checking build system. But hopefully this means we get a working copy. Else, I'm not sure. I'm screwed and doomed. But I'm gonna pray that I did everything right, that I actually listened very carefully to the instructions. So, let's see how this works. I want to see how this works. We are generating code. So, we are... Okay, but hopefully... I did change the path, so... Maybe that did some, but lib... And I do hope that it's just linking them statically, I guess. I mean, that would mean less to ship with a larger executable size of Saucedacity.exe, but... Yeah. But hopefully we can run Saucedacity in this Windows VM. But we did have that one warning, but I hope it wasn't much. Hope we could just ignore it. Alright, so... Come on. Build. If only there was like a little stat there or whatever, then that'd be interesting. But yeah, we are generating compiling, so that is, at least we are compiling, so that's good. Whoops. Okay, local disk where we're gonna be checking everything, then check the output, which get in step 6. The output directory. Okay, where is the output directory? Okay, check the error list tab. 0 errors and 17 warnings. Check the output directory as indicated in step 6 to find bin release Audacity.exe. Okay, but alright. So generating code. What's this? 851 changes, huh? What do we got here? Oh, yeah, we can close out of this. I guess solution will close. And we have to scroll ourselves. FO sample buffer. First in, first out, I guess. Okay, building custom rule. Alright. I think it could be like, I think the output directory should be like in the source tree out. But yeah, then if all goes well, I'm gonna end the stream and then I'm gonna build a 32-bit version, knowing that doing the stuff that I just did. But it appears that there is no out folder. .github.ps CMake proxies. Oh, there it is. No, there is. Okay, so just out build. Oh, what are we building here? There's no exe yet, but I mean, hopefully, well, if we have a debug, I mean that's okay. I mean, I'm just, the intention is really to build something without debugging symbols, but I mean, excuse me, if we do have debugging symbols, go ahead. But I mean, releases are not going to be having The intention is for releases not to have debug symbols, really. So. What's the thing we can do in the meantime? Okay, you know what? Let's do a game. Arcade. Super Text. Alright. Start game, story mode. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I didn't realize. Whoops. Okay, so we gained that ability. Cool. Oh, shoot. There we go. But wait. Are we done yet? No, it's still building. So we got a lot of text output. Do that. No, that's not what I meant. I meant this. Continue. Okay. Some more Super Tux card. Super Tux, sorry, not Super Tux card. But as we wait for this to build. Alright. Okay. Nope. Oh. Neato. Ooh, and I can actually jump over it. Okay. Neat. Oh, I can't get it, but I can do that. Alright, so it's good. Oh no 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 no. My hat. Well, I should hopefully get. Oh, yep. See, we're good, and we're still building. Okay, so all looks like we're going out, but just read the instructions. Yeah, because otherwise you're gonna end up being like me, just someone who doesn't understand a single thing that's happening. But really, it's just something simple because he didn't build the correct target. We're supposed to be building, well, now I kind of wonder, could we still build the lib target without the DLOs, or are the DLOs still required? That's got to be interesting. That's got to be interesting. Sorry about that. We're still building, but where is thy output? I would get ahead of the outputs, and it just got ahead of me. Dang it. Okay. Alright. Let's continue. Because, well, in the meantime, we're just again playing this. Just waiting until the thing finished building. And I lost again. Wow. Oh, that's not good. We're small talks. Maybe that's what we do need. You came at the wrong time. At this point, based on how many coins I'm losing, I'm gonna lose. that was a bad... Yeah, well, this is for entertainment purposes, not for waging purposes. Okay. Okay, the trick is to not jump when that dude's gonna jump also. Like... Oh, that didn't work. You just gotta time it very precisely, not do that stuff. Not do like stuff like that. Here, I want a coin. There we go. We got 2 bomb dudes, of whom are all gonna be exploding. See? Yeah, I want to get coins. Because we got 169. That's all we need. And that dude just comes. So you gotta wait for that dude. Just pass by. Yeah. You gotta be like on the edge or something. Yes, we are still building. As it looks like with a little icon. There we go. See? Timed right. And let me just come over here. Let me get the coins. So, you just gotta wait for the dude to pass by. Who should be coming in a bit. Oh, so close. That was so close, man. Then... Oh. Oh, and it looks like we are done. Gives me an excuse to crit that. And so build all succeeded. Alright, drum roll please. Will this work? Quite nervous right now. But, Saucedacity. I mean, we do have the DLLs, but hopefully it's been linked against and that's not required. Build. This. Maybe this? Is there any EXE in here? Oh no, wait. It would actually be in bin release. Saucedacity. Is this one that... I try. Dang it. Maybe it's this. Oh no. But I mean, we do got the DLLs though, so I could... Maybe it's because I just need to copy it? I don't know. Lib? What's in here? Nothing. Okay. Bin. Release. Alright. Got all this stuff. I'm just gonna copy into here. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna get WX widgets. We got lib VCX64 DLL. Oh no, wait. Oh. I'm gonna just copy those there too. So that's probably what's also needed. Alright, so let's try it again now. Oh, libexpac.dll. Okay. What? What? I literally tried it. I now get the DLLs, but that didn't make a difference. Ugh! Dang it. What else am I missing? I built WX widgets from Audacity's repos. WX win is set to there. Right? Not you. Right? Nothing. So that didn't work. Maybe I could just take a look at this. No one's saying anything right now. Okay. That didn't work. WX win, WX would. No, it is not. Let me try rebuilding from source then. But from scratch. WX widgets lib VX64. I'm gonna copy this path. Because this is actually where we need to be. Edit. So I'm not gonna be rebuilding WX widgets because that's already succeeded. But libexpat.dll, that's there, but then zlib, zlib Windows. I mean, I guess I could attempt to download, but then why are some others not building? So it's just like, I don't know. Okay. It's just quite interesting. I really don't know. Anything that's a DLL. How about let's try this. Maybe if we can see. What do I got paste? Oh. Okay. Copy. And that's actually the same folder. Local disk source, not the out build release bin release. Oh no, actually no, it's in here. Oh no, that's not. It's in build. Alright, replace. How many results though? Is it the same? I'm not gonna count on that. Place these files. Oh, 16! Alright, libexpat and zlib. Oh, the procedure intro. Oh. What am I doing wrong then? I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Well, I'm gonna try the other way. Not through the Visual Studio. Why though? Is this? Okay, so that's been modified. Okay. So if we just do this. Wait, but does Audacity? This is a stupid question. I mean, yes, they probably do. But if we're talking Windows here, if we're gonna download this Windows. I'm guessing that's a 64-bit version. Oh well, you know what? Screw it. Alright, zlib home site. zlib1.dll we could try. Right. Okay. Release versions. Alright, maybe we just get the late. Well, that's Tower GZ, but I don't know though. So if I just take a look at this. So if we just do this, and then we're gonna buy this as a source, and this is gonna be Saucedacity. Select the folder, and then Audacity. Well, select another thing. I'm gonna output to here. Build is empty. Okay. I'm gonna select that folder. So we're going to configure Visual Studio. Okay. Then there's like code blocks. Oh. I guess we can attempt to use code blocks. That's gotta be very interesting. Code blocks. Huh. Alright, well, let's do this. Code blocks. So, I'm gonna do this. So. Download the binary release. Here. Alright, set up exe. Alright. In the meantime, I'm gonna do this because this has gotta be very interesting. Yes. So this is a duplicate thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna minimize this. I meant to minimize, but okay. I agree very much. Contrib plugins, CPP check and all. Alright. Let's do next. Program files, install, and boom. Yes, because I can probably attempt to configure this, because who knows, maybe we could try this. Alright, Cydron GCC, and then we got oh, no compiler detected. Alright, but okay, we do have MSVC found, but Cydron, well, if it means Cydron DLL, then yeah, I'm gonna distribute it. Yeah, so I'm gonna just set as default. Yeah. Alright, we can try this. So next, finished. Yeah. Alright. No, leave everything as is. So we got like 2 IDs running at once. This thing. Alright. But code blocks. Okay. I guess I could attempt to do that, but I mean, yeah. Alright. So let's see. Boom! Alright. Generate. Open project. Here we go. So, let's see what this brings us. Okay. So, build solution. If we do that, but I'm quite curious though. If we do configure and stop. Alright. File, delete cache. Delete the cache. I hope I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm probably doing something wrong though. Okay. So. Configure. Visual Studio 2016 does that. But wait, I saw code blocks in here. Do we have Cydron? Wait. Okay, so MinGW it is. MinGW make files. Alright, hold up. Time to get MinGW. MinGW 64, however. I always get it from mingw.org, but I think that's the wrong one. So, we're just gonna do this. Downloads. When builds. When builds are all. Alright. Okay. Download an installation from Windows. Windows 1.5.0. Save file and. But yeah, maybe if I can configure it with like MinGW. But then again, building that's not supported. But I'm gonna just try it anyways. Doxy blocks, huh? But settings compile, not debugger actually. Settings compiler. Alright, batch builds, profile set, okay, Cydron CC. No compiler. Alright. let's see. Like, if we do this though. Minji W. Alright, build. I think it's finishing up though. Okay. Oh, almost. We're getting there. Okay. So, while I set this up though. Wait. It says this is not maintained and not recommended if you. Oh, this is Siren though. Oh, this is old, I think. 2018, but. Let's see. I think Minji W though, but I don't know. Kind of interested to see how this works. Alright. So. Alright, just open this up. Downloads. Builds. Okay. And hold up. I will be. Okay, let's see. The perspective has changed. You want to save it? No. Package extract. I guess this is kind of what you see in the movies. But unfortunately, that only occurs when your VM is so slow. I mean, oh boy. Oh boy. Honestly, though. Honestly. Alright. Stats, no. Nothing. Okay, but. Alright. Oh, Bluetooth, they say. No, I'm gonna turn that off. Let me exit this. Yeah, crit. Yes. But this thing is just so slow because I'm building something. Because Visual Studio is also there. So. Alright, Okay. So, as that works, as we are extracting, I want sensor. I'll just run that also, just to see which has. That's not good. That's not legit. That's not good. Yeah, I may need to figure out something. Okay, this is. Okay, I might have to end this soon actually, because of how hot this thing's running. Wonder what the. Yeah, because of that, I'm just gonna have to go. Might have to end this soon, but I'm gonna build it and you're gonna see the result of that, but. Oh, and we should be there as well. Okay, so. The build should be finishing up, I think. Wait, what? What the? I see CMake output. Generating code. Alright, done building a VCX proj. Visual Studio. This XML project or whatever. Alright, so then it's just building custom rules, CMake lists.text. Okay, so it's then doing that too. Okay. I'll just quit this exit. Alright. We're done with that. Minji W though. Can I build it with Minji W? Building on Siderim. Nyquist and libid3 tag. If you manage to build, please send out a patrol instruction on how you did it. If you didn't enable that, you got to configure it. Okay. If you run into problems, that's experimental, but those are some old build instructions. Alright, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, done. I don't know if that changed much, but hopefully it works. Though I'm kind of out for a build. Bin. Debug. No. Okay, this is just not working for whatever reason. I don't know why. But okay, this is just maybe not the unneeded folder either, but okay. And I got libexpat.dll already. Yes, I do get it from the site. But wait, if this was a debug release, then wait. Ah, dang! I did build a debug release. Okay. I honestly gotta try it though. I gotta try this. So I'm just gonna delete. Oh, no. Just gonna delete all this. Well, except for WX widgets, I don't want that to happen. So I'm just gonna open this. We are running out of space. Yes. I will have to fix this. Are you sure you want to delete these 2 items? Yes. Saucedacity Windows build. Nothing's in that folder. Build. Delete. Alright. Local disk. So those are the libraries there. Alright. So I just delete this. Alright. And then I don't know about that. I'm gonna leave it there. Alright, wait, do I have MinGW? Okay. Wait, I don't know about that. But anyways, well, unfortunately that didn't work out well as I thought it would. Anyways, so well, as that didn't work out, I'm gonna just end the stream right now. But hopefully this works out soon. Probably either today or tomorrow, but anyway, so yep. That was my attempt at building the Windows version of Saucedacity. But yep, as you saw, the Linux build does work, but not the Windows for whatever reason. So yep, anyway, so see you on the stream. Hopefully you liked it, or at least you learned something from it. Yep, I shall see you in the next video live stream. So I'll see you all